So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar. I am basically from Azamgarh in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in BTech Engineering with Electronics and Communication from SRMS CT Bareilly in 2017. After completing my graduation, I was looking for a job. Then I got to know about Evision Technosap Private Limited. Evision Technosap Private Limited is a very excellent institute uh, to improve our skills and knowledge. The way of arrange the session is very good, and I got to learn many technologies and practice session in networking. It is a very excellent online institute where we can improve our skills, knowledge. I'm very happy to say that I got selected in HCL technologies with 3 LPA. At last, I would like to express my gratitude to all my teachers for their excellent training and teaching. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.